ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಏನಿದ್ರು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ಐಟಮ್, ಜಂಕ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಸಮ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್, ಸಲಾಡ್ಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Dear viewers, Mysore, the city of palaces. Anybody who goes to Mysore cannot miss the palaces. But it was a fact that kings ruled from the palaces that you see in Mysore. There was a royal family. How much do we know about the royal family of Mysore, the Wadiyars? To speak about them and the history of Mysore, I have with me today Vikram Sampath, the author of the book Splendors of Royal Mysore, the untold story of the Wadiyars. Warm welcome to the show.
Thank you, Deepak.
You're not as young as you look, right? Most of the people are speaking about this young man who has written a big book.
Well, I'm not a woman, so I can reveal my age. I'm 28, which is young enough, I guess.
Okay, but the story of you having got inspiration after watching
Yes.
Sword of Tipu Sultan,
Yes.
and that was when you were 12 years of age.
Yes. I usually put this as the Mysore bug, which bit me first time when I was 11 or 12.
Okay.
And there was a very popular serial, The Sword of Tipu Sultan, those days. And the Maharaja of Mysore was rather shown in a very comical fashion. And I was rather intrigued by this
What do you
portrayal.
mean by comical fashion?
He was shown as an obese retard who was actually dancing with the court dancer and someone who would not even bother about the affairs of state.
But you were not even a Mysorean.
I was not
But
a
why
Mysorean.
were you so much affected by the depiction of that kind?
When we speak of Mysore, it's a erstwhile state of Mysore, and Bangalore or any other city is a part of that kingdom. And somewhere the umbilical cord with the erstwhile princely state happens to remain for people in this part of
Or anything against the sword of
No, I
Tipu Sultan?
have nothing against
Or
Tipu
anything
Sultan.
against Sanjay Khan?
Not at all, not at
Or
all.
because you did not get a chance to act in those
Not at all, not at all.
episodes or something?
I was too young to act then, and maybe even
Okay.
now. But the general image that we have, at least in this part of Karnataka, for the Mysore Maharajas is someone who is worship worthy. And you find in old Mysore state to this day, you have pictures of the Maharaja next to gods and goddesses. So this was an image that was reinforced in my mind as a child too. And that apple cart was somehow upset by this portrayal.
Okay.
And there were a lot of protests in Bangalore and Mysore and all over the place about this
But you were
particular
very
serial.
young then.
Yes, and
You
so
were registering all this.
yes.
Why? Because you had planned to write a book.
Not at all. The book was completely coincidental. It was a child's curiosity into knowing, what exactly is the truth
Okay.
behind the
So your
false.
purpose of writing was only because of that one incident.
Yes, it started off that way.
Okay, so you started collating information.
Collating information, going to numerous libraries, meeting a
Okay.
lot of people.
Okay,
As a
but for
child,
what purpose?
I was obsessed with that particular king and queen who were
To fight your case.
Not at all. Not at all. I didn't even have anything against Sanjay Khan or anyone who made the serial.
But why were you watching the Sword of Tipu Sultan when you were not even happy with the way they portrayed?
I watched it end to end. In
Why?
fact,
Because I'm sure you were interested in Tipu Sultan.
yes, I was.
Okay.
It was not
But in the story, in this book, particularly you call this the untold story. It's not the chronicles or it's not the historical recollections or whatever. It's a story.
Yes.
So in this story of yours,
Yeah.
so you're writing what you felt about Tipu Sultan or the Wadiyars or the kings of Mysore, is it?
I call it the untold story because no one's told the story before. And in popular national discourse today, we have lots of books that are written about the Mughals, about the Rajputs, the Marathas, various
But
other
when you call it a
dynasties.
story,
Yes.
does it become a little suspicious in the sense, maybe it's not actually history?
I'm not a historian, and so the presentation of the facts are also in a way which will appeal to people of my generation.
Okay.
So I've interspersed
embellished those?
Yes, I've interspersed the actual facts with a lot of
fiction.
semi-fictional account. I've put life into characters.
But you're not told that. Somewhere people have come to believe that this is a historical depiction of the whole events that led to whatever that it led to.
There's just that much one can capture in a title.
Okay.
But the very
800
first
pages.
The very first, I start the book with a quote from Aristotle, which says the art is